Okay, so I read a story about this guy, about how he had the hiccups I have the hiccups right now, so excuse me. But he had the hiccups for like 60 years. And he never got that solved. If that were me, I would go to a doctor. I would sell my home if necessary. I don't know, I would start a GoFundMe. He didn't have a GoFundMe then, but I would now. I would do everything, every spare moment of my time would be devoted to solving whatever was wrong with me so the hiccups would stop. That's my opinion. I don't know why that guy didn't see a doctor.